what's up? We're back with this S10. It's going to get a nice little heart transplant. We're putting a V8 in this per the owner's request with a 5-speed going in behind it. So this is in 2004, I believe, S10. I think it originally had like the 2.2 or whatever it was. I think something like that in it. So be a major upgrade. But this is also things that we do. It doesn't have to be, as we said, it does not have to be a old classic muscle car or anything like that. It's anything that you want to do upgrades to, do mods, whatever. If it's custom paint, if it's just doing suspension work, any of that kind of stuff, we'll handle it. So again, we'll have more on this. We're going to get started with getting all this mated up so that we can get this mild 350 in there. I think they've done some 1.6 rockers on it. Got a cam in there, it's bored over, so it'll be a nice little treat when it's all together and in there. Definitely be a fun toy. So you guys keep watching, and we'll have more on this. Thanks.